What is Integrated Pest Management, IPM? Integrated Pest Management, IPM, is an approach to pest control that aims to manage pests in an environmentally responsible and economically viable manner. IPM is a holistic and comprehensive approach that seeks to minimize the use of chemical pesticides and instead focuses on a combination of multiple strategies to manage pests effectively. The key principles of integrated pest management include pest identification and monitoring. Accurate identification and monitoring of pests are crucial in IPM. This involves regular inspection and assessment of pest populations to determine their type, abundance, and distribution. Prevention. IPM emphasizes the use of preventive measures to avoid pest problems. This includes implementing practices such as proper sanitation, removing food and water sources, sealing entry points, and implementing cultural practices that discourage pest infestations. Biological control. IPM encourages the use of natural enemies of pests, such as predators, parasites, and pathogens, to regulate pest populations. This can include introducing beneficial insects, using microbial pesticides, or employing other biological control methods. Cultural control. IPM promotes the use of cultural practices, such as crop rotation, planting resistant crop varieties, and adjusting irrigation and fertilization practices, to create unfavorable conditions for pests and reduce their populations. Mechanical and physical control. IPM may involve using physical or mechanical methods to control pests, such as trapping, barriers, or hand removal of pests. Chemical control. While chemical pesticides are used as a last resort in IPM, their use is minimized and targeted to specific pests, using the least toxic and most effective products. Pesticides are selected and applied based on careful consideration of their impact on non-target organisms, the environment, and human health. Regular monitoring and reassessment. IPM is an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring and reassessment to evaluate the effectiveness of pest management strategies and make adjustments as needed. By combining multiple pest management strategies and using pesticides only as a last resort, IPM seeks to minimize the negative impact of pest control on human health, non-target organisms, and the environment, while still effectively managing pest populations in a sustainable manner. Thanks for watching.